Let's plot and scheme for a second about how we're going to get you off probation early. Because if you really want off probation, and I don't know who wouldn't, then you've got to plan early. And that means your attorney needs to bake this right into the cake up front. So as part of your plea agreement, make sure the deal up front requires the prosecutor to early term once you've completed certain conditions. This strategy is super effective on restitution cases because if you do this right, you'll even get off probation before the halfway point. Let me explain. I had a case where a client owed about $5,000 restitution. He had the money when we went into plea, but we got everyone to agree to terminate probation as soon as he paid the $5,000 in full. We pled to probation on a Monday morning. He paid the $5,000 by the afternoon, and bam, probation was terminated by Wednesday. So everybody wins on something like this. Plan early, and we never would have gotten that deal of 2 days probation had he paid the restitution up front. I'm sorry to say, we had some leverage there. There are other ways to get off probation early. You don't have to do an agreement up front, nothing fancy, because recently we got some help from the Florida legislator. There's a new-ish statute, 948.04, and it creates a mandatory early termination situation under certain conditions, and it forces the judge to terminate your probation at the halfway point if you've completed all the conditions, you've never violated, and you're not on probation for a violent crime. This law does not make things happen automatically. It's mandatory, but it's not automatic. You've got to file a motion. And what I'm about to say may sound a little self-serving, like a barber telling you you really need a haircut. But the most important part here is that you need to hire an attorney. And I don't mean just any attorney. Make sure this attorney knows the judge in your case. Don't face this prosecutor and judge alone on this thing, because after 27 years of filing these early term motions, I've seen so many people get shot down just because they're trying to do it themselves and they miss some stupid detail. Get a good local attorney and things will work out for you. My name is John Guidry, and if you want off probation early in Orange County, Seminole, or Osceola County, give me a call. Let's see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching, and take care.